What do you have there, Quinn? You have one of Mommy's lip glosses and a baby doll. What are you doing? We're eating some puffs. You're full. Who's this? It's all wet. Whose baby is this? Hi. It's baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, I love baby. Good girl. Baby. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. You love baby? Yeah, baby. Baby. Don't smush baby into the puffs. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you putting on lip gloss? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, baby fell. I'll go get her.